If you have a Caterpillar 3208 diesel engine, you've got to find out what type of raw water pump you have on the engine. These engines sometimes have Jabsco pumps, sometimes have Sherwood pumps. So what you need to do is take a picture of the pump. You can see the pump right there, which may not be enough information. And then you'll want to get a flashlight and go back and look and see what kind of pump is on it by looking at the plate. Of course, I'm struggling here, but right there you can read that plate and you can find out if that says it's an ITT Jabsco, which this one says it is, or it might be a Sherwood. In this case, the Jabsco's got about 6 bolts, and in the other case, the Sherwood would have 3 bolts. So these are 2 very different brand water pumps, and it's important that you know that when you go to the store to buy a spare seawater impeller. So remember, use your smartphone camera and take pictures. And there you can see the smartphone camera picture. That's showing that it is an ITT Jabsco. You can see in the lower left corner. So that way when you go to the store to buy the parts, you know exactly what you've got. If you've got more questions about changing seawater impellers or fuel filters, ask Captain Kress.